Have you ever bought a used iPad or found an old one only to be stopped dead by the dreaded activation lock? That iPad lock to honor screen means you can't use it. Today we're breaking down the 3 legitimate ways to remove the activation lock from any iPad. Let's get started. If you are the original owner, simply enter your Apple ID and password. Or you can tap Unlock with Passcode and enter the device passcode. This instantly disables the activation lock. However, if you bought the device from someone else, you must contact them and have them sign in. For the next option, you can contact Apple support with proof of purchase. You will need documents that clearly show the iPad serial number, IMEI or MeID, and proof that you bought the device legitimately. Contact Apple support directly and request an activation lock support request. If your documentation is valid, Apple can manually remove the lock for you. Finally, method 3 is for situations where you can't contact the original owner or get help from Apple support, using AnyUnlock to remove the activation lock. This professional third-party tool is designed specifically to handle exactly these cases and offers several key advantages. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. No technical skills are required to get started. To use this method, simply launch AnyUnlock on your computer, then select the Skip Apple ID option and connect your iPad using a USB cable. The software will automatically detect your device and guide you through the removal process step by step. Once the process begins, AnyUnlock handles everything in the background, minimizing user input and reducing the risk of errors. After completion, you will be able to access the device and set it up again without the original Apple ID credentials. Well, this method is especially useful for second-hand devices or situations where recovery options are no longer available. So, to recap, while the official methods are great for original owners and if you are stuck, we highly recommend you to use AnyUnlock application. It completely removes the activation lock without needing the Apple ID or passcode, making it the most direct solution for many users. We hope these methods help you get your iPad back in working order. If this video helped you, please hit the like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one. Peace.